Look at this extraordinary design. Kind of has a little bit of modern flavor. So I used for ornaments, again, back of my brush, circles of different sizes, then with thin brush connected without even worrying whether it's straight or not, using different color, red, you can use any. For this kind of ornaments, you can use a different angle of your brush and create very simple hint of a stars. So altogether is gorgeous design. With this one, dots, it's just fabulous. So I go into a lot of acrylic paint, one dot, another, this. As it go further, they're smaller and smaller because I have less and less and less acrylic on the end of this brush. Look how gorgeous it is.